Welcome back to the Future Fund. Today, we're diving into the exciting news about MetaXchangeAI approval for listing on the Nasdaq Private Market, or NPM. This is the same marketplace that saw giants like OpenAI begin their journey. Could you explain what this move means for MetaXchangeAI, Ms. Smith?
Absolutely. Listing on NPM allows MetaXchangeAI to access significant pre-IPO funding from accredited investors, much like a premier club for promising tech companies. Interestingly, it's like joining an exclusive league where financial heavyweights gain early access to burgeoning enterprises before they make their public debut.
That's fascinating, but what about the risks? We've heard about companies not meeting their expected growth, even with a jump start at NPM. How does MetaXchangeAI plan to mitigate such challenges?
A valid concern. With vigorous early-stage vetting and stable tech deployment, they plan to navigate such hurdles smoothly. For instance, their latest AI model outperformed its predecessors by reducing data latency, a feat likened to trimming unnecessary information weight. Yet, market volatility remains a challenge for any emerging company.
That brings us to how potential investors can benefit from this opportunity, especially with platforms like INVSTROI, making the process more accessible. What shifts can we expect from the investor perspective?
Indeed, platforms like INVSTROI democratize early-stage investing, allowing investors to stake a claim in future unicorns. This shift is crucial as it transforms entry barriers, typically high for singular investors. Moving forward, we could see a blend of traditional investment practices intertwine with modern digital accessibility.
Shifting gears, let's delve deeper into NPM itself, which has been pivotal for companies aiming to cultivate robust pre-IPO momentum. Mr. Johnson, how does the NPM differ from the traditional stock market?
Great question. NPM provides a test-run environment for companies, offering them unparalleled exposure to substantial private capital while shielding them from the public market scrutiny. Think of it as a dress rehearsal. Only top performers make the public networks. However, not everyone sees this guarded approach as beneficial.
Interesting analogy, but some argue that it limits transparency to general investors. Wouldn't this create a knowledge gap?
Indeed, transparency is a trade-off. A lack of public oversight can cast a shadow over investment strategies. However, rigorous internal evaluations and accreditation processes aim to maintain some level of credibility. Many believe that as NPM grows, it could catalyze a new wave of investment confidence.
What does the future hold for NPM? Could this platform redefine how startups raise funds?
NPM is likely to spearhead a shift in investment norms, merging initial exclusivity with subsequent inclusivity. The future may see a fusion between robust due diligence and expanded access, paving the way for a more integrated pre-IPO ecosystem. This evolution could redefine early investment paradigms.
Returning to MetaXchangeAI, their tech portfolio is turning heads with some groundbreaking innovations. Dr. Bennett, can you outline a standout innovation from their suite?
Certainly, they've pioneered a neural network that optimizes real-time data processing. Picture this, it's like upgrading from a bike to a motorbike in terms of processing speed, allowing more efficient resource allocation. Such innovations ensure their solutions are state-of-the-art. However, scaling these technologies isn't without hurdles.
What obstacles do they face in scaling, and how might they overcome these challenges? Do these hurdles affect the investor interest?
Indeed, scaling difficulties arise from potential market saturation and high operating costs. Yet, strategic partnerships with tech developers and hybrid collaborations can bridge these gaps. The investor enthusiasm remains robust, as evident from the buzz around their NPM listing. Future strategies could blend agility with sustained growth to retain this momentum.
Looking ahead, where do you see MetaXchangeAI in a decade? Will they still lead the AI frontier?
I foresee them integrating AI advancements into mainstream tech solutions. As they harness the wealth of investment from NPM, their innovations could redefine industries. MetaXchangeAI is poised to trailblaze new paths not just as a leader but as a catalyst for AI evolution.
In conclusion, let's focus on the burgeoning investment opportunities tied to these technological advancements. Mr. Green, for aspiring investors, What key opportunities should they seek related to AI and tech?
Well, the growth of AI propels opportunities in sectors like healthcare diagnostics to fintech optimizations. For instance, AI-driven diagnostic tools boast accuracy rates up to 95%, challenging conventional methods. Diverse portfolios are a vital counterpoint to the pitfalls of overly tech-focused investments.
That's promising, but how can investors balance opportunity with risk, especially in such volatile sectors?
It's essential to blend rigorous market analysis with innovative investment approaches. For example, AI's ability to predict stock trends by analyzing vast datasets could be a game changer. Yet, the key is a diversified strategy, combining solid returns and optimal risk mitigation, guiding future investment decisions.
Finally, your perspective on where investment strategies should evolve to capture tomorrow's successes.
Future strategies need to evolve with the pace of innovation, embracing adaptive AI frameworks and sustainable tech. As global demand for AI solutions amplifies, investment avenues will likely expand. The focus should shift towards balancing exploration with responsible growth to shape a